We're in Sweden in Pirelli Sottozero Center for winter testing. My name is 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏. I am the chief test driver for Bugatti Rimac. The lowest temperatures we had are -15, which is not ideal. So we switched from day shifts to night shifts just to have the surface more consistent.
So this is a pre-series vehicle of the Rimac Nevera. First time we are on the snow here in Sweden. So we had to prepare all the systems from cooling, powertrain, electrical architecture to be sure that we were able to validate them on these extreme conditions.
You can be really down on energy and motivation, but as soon as you hit some really good results, it uplifts the whole crew, and it's been really good.
We are very happy with the way we have approached this testing session, and now we are sure that our car is consistent in every condition that the car can go through. So Nevera is basically ready.